one day we'll be talking about introduction to compressed natural gas. So we spoke about the advantage, disadvantages, how CNG is gotten, where it's gotten from, how it's gotten, and also the different type of NGVs. Look at them, the different types of NGVs.
Dedicated.
We have by dedicated and look at them, the differences.
Dedicated is like you only run on CNG.
Okay.
You can work on CNG and petrol both at the same time.
Okay.
And dual is both at the same time.
Like what's the difference, the percentage?
The guy for CNG and dual for any other one.
An example is what?
80% CNG and 20%.
Like an example is saying what type of engine?
You can have in big
Trucks, diesel generators. That is dedicated, the bike can be seen in most vehicles. That is dedicated to and also.
its combustion is not like it does not give 100%.
Okay, compared to petrol. What else did we talk about? We spoke about CNG is composed of what?
Mostly methane.
Mostly methane. Then what of LNG? What of MPG? What's the storage units for CNG? The storage units for CNG.
Cylinders.
Sorry? What are those cylinders? Type 1 is made of what of storage units for LPG?